In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1108 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet P1108. Okay? You can also type only for 1108 without the P and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and you would be able to see a list of results. The moment you've clicked on it, you'll be able to see a list of results. Please proceed to the first one under support@hp.com. The moment you've clicked on it, eventually you'd be navigated to this new page where you can see the printer driver. Okay, so here you need to scroll down. Okay, and locate for driver product installation software and click on this download aligning to it. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, you have to wait until the downloading process would be completed. Once completed, you need to copy the file and paste that to the desktop. Okay? So once you have moved it to the desktop, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and then use your WinRAR tool to extract this one. So kindly wait until the WinRAR tool would be showing up here next to Edit in Notepad. Once it's here, go with Extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay, so once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So we would really appreciate your support. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. The moment you click on it, wait until you would be able to open a new window, which is the settings itself. Okay, so here with the settings, directly proceed to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Once it's here, all you need to do is you need to select for the printers and scanners. Click on this one. And there you can see an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually. And in a few moments, you would be able to open a new window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, please choose for other local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Click on Next. Go with this option called Have Disk and click on the Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed or saved at the desktop, okay, click on that. And then here at the desktop, okay, you need to scroll down and find the extracted file. Once it's here, double tap and then just select any of the printer driver here. So scroll down and select any of that. Click on open and click on the OK. So eventually you need to find the 1108. So here, once you find it, you need to click on next and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this will be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro P1108 in your Windows 11. Now if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.